Good morning, friends. Do you know what is a designer hairline? No? I think you must have seen my previous video where I had spoken of a bad hair transplant, and now this is just the opposite. We are talking of designer hairlines. My name is Dr. Amit, and with my years of experience, I can promise you hairline and a hair transplant that you will not get anywhere else. Now, this video was inspired by a call I received from Chamba yesterday. Chamba is down in Himachal Pradesh, and the patient, his query was that, can you create the hairline that I want to get? I said, of course, that's what we do every day. He says, but I saw some other doctor and they said, no, they cannot do it. So I just said to him that maybe that doctor was not experienced enough, or maybe that doctor was unwilling to experiment with your looks. So that's essential, that with experience as you go by, you know you can create anything aesthetic as long as certain rules are to be followed. Now I'm going to post another video which is going to talk about how to create hairlines, how to create what decides hairline patterns, and how hairlines are different in men and women. So you must watch my next video as well, and I request you to subscribe to this channel. Subscription of this channel allows you to get all the information that I am giving, and you will understand that these are bits of information that it gets difficult to get these informations from a lot of places. So by designer hairlines we mean, say, a hairline like Salman Khan, where you get those nice triangles and the angles, so the angles can be created, because these are not standard patterns. Standard patterns are like this and we come down, but to create something which the patient thinks will look great on his face is basically designing it. We are not going the standard way, we are creating a hair transplant solution for you. So how one wants his pattern. I have had a patient who wanted a temple to be done on one side and not on the other, because he would comb it that way and he said, I don't want it that way. I've had someone who's wanted triangles here. I've had people who wanted these triangles which are famous by the name of Mr. Salman Khan triangle, and I'm sure you have seen one of my videos where one of my friends from Norway wanted his hairline to be duplicated to Salman Khan's, and I've posted those pictures as well, and it looks exactly the same. So yes, we can create a design that you want. In fact, when I'm doing designing of the hairline before a hair transplant, you would have seen in my previous videos how I go about planning the design of a hair transplant. So we interactively discuss with the patient, and I'm open to suggestions and I'm open to corrections. So when we decide together, we achieve the best result, and that's why in all these years I've had amazing people who've had hair transplants with me. I've had amazing number of referrals of people who've done transplants. I'm going to be touching about 5,000 very soon. So this is the amazing part about being interactive and being sincere and honest. So I'm sure you would have liked a few things about what I told you today. If you're listening to this video, a special offer for you in case you want your first PRP. PRP is used to control hair fall. We're giving an 80% discount on PRP with your first consult. So if you're watching this, you want to visit me, you can get a PRP done for only ₹2,000. So keep watching. My name is Dr. Amit. My upcoming videos will be about hairlines, how to design hairlines, how hairlines are different in men and women, and I'm going to take you over how we've created some fantastic results. What are the key aspects in creating that result? So once again, my name is Dr. Amit, and have a lovely day.